Have you ever felt extremely motivated on Monday and completely unmotivated by Thursday? You make plans, set goals, promise yourself you'll change. Then a few days later, the excitement disappears. Most people think they need more motivation. But what if motivation was never designed to last? Welcome to Mind Mechanics. Imagine motivation as a spark. A spark can start a fire, but a spark cannot keep a fire burning forever. That's exactly how motivation works. It helps you start, but it rarely helps you continue. Your brain is constantly trying to conserve energy. New habits require effort. Effort feels uncomfortable. So after the initial excitement wears off, your brain starts asking, is this really necessary? That's why studying, exercising, saving money, or waking up early often feels hardest after the first few days. Successful people are not motivated all the time. They simply build systems. A system is something you do even when you don't feel inspired. For example, study for 20 minutes every day. Walk for 10 minutes after dinner. Save a small amount every week. Tiny actions repeated consistently become powerful. Stop asking, how do I stay motivated? Start asking, what system can I build? Because real change doesn't come from occasional bursts of energy. It comes from repeatable habits. Motivation starts the journey, systems finish it. If you want to understand how your mind works, not just feel motivated, join us here at Mind Mechanics.